Networking isn't really about attending cocktail hours, handing out business cards, or asking someone for a job. Networking is not transactional at all. It's about creating and building on relationships. In essence, networking is considered any interaction you have, personal or professional, that can potentially lead to an opportunity. Every interaction you have, whether it's with a relative, coworker, recruiter, or someone you just met at a party, is an opportunity to share your story. Outside of everyday interactions, there are a variety of more formal ways to network, such as at in-person and virtual career fairs hosted by UAGC or other agency, via Handshake, the official university networking platform for students and alum. UAGC-sponsored roundtable events and information sessions with employers, and by building your social networking capital on platforms like LinkedIn. Of course, each method has some best practices to follow to ensure you get the most out of the experience. For example, if you are attending an in-person or virtual event, you should make an effective introduction, make eye contact, smile, and state your first and last name, offer a brief but firm handshake, refer to them by name to demonstrate you are interested and sincere about the conversation, ask about their background and work to express your interest in more than just your own job opportunities. And be sure to ask questions like, what's your primary role at the company? Do you like working there? What projects are you working on now? What is the company culture like? What does your typical day look like? When it's your turn to share what you do, be prepared to share your elevator pitch. 2 to 3 sentences that provide a short overview of your background, studies, career goals, and relevant skills. Networking on LinkedIn, on the other hand, is much different. And when you message someone to connect, you are only allowed 300 characters, so be concise. Express your reason to connect, share what you have in common, and mention a mutual acquaintance, but don't ask for a job on first contact. If you're contacting someone for an informational interview, email is often the best, most effective method, and following these tips will help you write emails that elicit responses. These can also be adapted for phone calls. Before you send the email, think about how the contact can help you. Do research on their LinkedIn profile to familiarize yourself with their professional online presence. Be brief. Your email should be around 75 words or around 4 lines. Explain how you are connected to them. This is not a request for a job, so only request advice and insight. Make the email about them, not you. Keep subject lines brief and to the point. For example, your experience as Director of Sales at Corsair, your expertise in the accounting consulting industry, your product management expertise at Ace Tech, and don't attach your resume or include your elevator pitch. If you have not received a response after 1 week, it is appropriate to send a follow-up email or message through LinkedIn. If another week has passed and your follow-up email does not get a response, you can call once or move on to another contact. Just keep in mind, the average response rate to this type of email is about 30%, so don't feel defeated if you did not receive a response. Networking is an important part of your professional journey, and by following these simple yet effective guidelines, you'll be on your way to making contacts that could lead to your next opportunity. Not sure where to begin or need help with your networking skills? Email careerservices@uagc.edu to speak with a career advisor today.